Alright, so this is going to be a short video on multiplying with generic rectangles. You've been doing extremely well with multiplying with generic rectangles, but I just think they're fun and I want to do a little bit more with them. So I'm going to do one example of a 2-digit by 2-digit and one example of a 2-digit by 3-digit. So this one right here, 52 by 63, tells me that on the sides of my rectangles, I need to split each side into 2 pieces because there are 2 digits in each number. Okay. Now remember, when you're doing 52, you can't just separate the digits because this means 5 plus 2, and we really need it to say 50 plus 2. Okay, so that 0 is important. Same with the 63. It has to be a 60 and a 3. I kind of think of it because you're saying the 2 numbers. You're saying 60 and 3 when you say 63, so it wouldn't even make sense to write just a 6 and a 3. So let's start with multiplying. To get this first box right here, we would have to find the number on the top and the number on the side and multiply. 50 times 60, using our multiplying with zeros video, I know that 5 times 6 is 30, and then I'm going to need to add 2 zeros to the end of that, so we get 3,000. This one, looking up and to the left, 2 times 60 is going to give me 120. Looking up and left, 3 times 50 is going to give me 150, and then finally 3 times 2 is 6. Now, if you just leave your rectangle like this, I can't give you full credit because I need an answer to 52 times 63. And to get that answer, we can add everything together. 3,150, 120, and 6. Add them all, I get a 6, a 7, a 2, and a 3. So 52 times 63 is 3,276. And this is the answer that I expect. Now, if you have a 3-digit number and a 2-digit number, you're going to need to change the shape of your rectangle a little bit so that one of the sides is able to count for 3 digits and the other side can account for 2 digits. So this right here, again, you say each number that you need to write down when you say the number. 123 gives you 120 and 3. And then 25, I can put it over here. If you made your rectangle vertical and you split it like this, that's perfectly fine. But your 123 is going to go on this side, and your 25 is going to go on this side, just because of how many digits it has. But let me get rid of that so I have enough space to write everything. 100 times 22 and 3 zeros. 20 times 20 is 4 and 2 zeros. 20 times 3 is 60. We have a 500. We have a 100 and a 15. I have 6 numbers to stack together this time. 2,000, 500, 400, 100, 60, and 15. That is supposed to be a 0. That doesn't look quite like a 0, so let me fix that. I get a 5, 6 and 1 is 7, 5 and 4 and 1 is 10, and 3. So 123 times 25 is 3,075. Okay, that's the answer I'm looking for.